Here we have next question. Solutions are given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are I is not given. Only till H solutions are there and their respective pH. pH of A is 8.1, pH of B is 1.1, pH of C is 5.5, so on and so forth. So there are few questions asked. Let us see. As I told, 2 questions you can directly answer without putting any effort, just to know. If you know the basics of it, you can answer it. Remaining 2 थोड़ा डेप्थ में नॉलेज आई है. चलो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. which one of the above acid solution is weakest acid? Which is the weakest acid? And we have to give reasons. Weak acid. Weak acid. C. 8.1 is the weak acid or 5.5 is the weak acid? C is the right answer. Though you are telling 5.5, those who have told C is the right answer. C का pH value is 5.5, but उन्होंने pH value नहीं पूछा. कौन सा solution? You have to write the solution. If you write 5.5, still you will lose the marks. उसका pH नहीं पूछा उन्हें. कौन सा solution है जिसका जो weakest acid है? Remember pH scale at 7. Here you will have 6, 5. So neutral के here acidity increases, which means these substances are less acidic than to the farther one, right? So we have 5.5, 13 and 8, no doubt. 13 and 8, these are basic. To the right side of 7, those are basic. Those are not acid at all. Those who have said 13 and 8, wrong. Completely wrong. Those who have told 5.5, still wrong. Those who said C is the right answer. C is if you tell 5.5, which might seem correct, but it is not correct, because he did not ask the number. He asked which solution. Solution C is the right answer. And what is it? C is what? Weak acid. You have to tell the reason also. Why is it a weak acid? It is very near to neutral. It is very near to, as it is near to neutral, it is weak acid. It goes farther from the neutral, 7, it becomes strong acid. If it is near to neutral to the right side, weak base. If it goes farther from the neutral, strong base. That's the reason you have to write. Next question. Which of the solution is a strong base? Strong base. D is the right answer. Look at the information. Do not be in a hurry. H might look like 10 सब में बड़ा, मगर उसका बाप यहाँ पर है 13.6, which is D. 13.6. अब सोचो, ऐसा मतलब एक 4 पॉइंट कम है. 14 आया तो खत्म, सैचुरेशन पॉइंट रीच हुआ. तो D is the right answer. Strong base है, right answer तो है, but why is it? Give reasons. It is farther from the neutral, so it is stronger base, strongest base, not stronger. समझ आ गया? 2 क्वेश्चंस इजी थे, लाइट थे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the above solution produces maximum heat when they react? Maximum heat. अब heat बोलते समझो, दोनों strong person लड़े तो ज्यादा मजा आती. Which? G. AgOG. Low G does not react only. Low G suno G. F. C. What is the question asked? He is asking maximum heat is liberated. हीट सब में ज्यादा कब लिबरेट होती बोले तो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस से रिएक्ट करा तो हीट लिबरेट होती. स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड बी, स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस डी, बी एंड डी. If you know, if you do not know, well and good. So it is B and D. If B reacts with D, then it produces a heat, maximum heat. वैसे तो heat हर फॉर्म में प्रोड्यूस होती है. स्ट्रॉन्ग नॉर्मल एसिड और बेस रिएक्ट करा तो हीट प्रोड्यूस होती है. स्ट्रॉन्ग मतलब सब में ज्यादा हीट. स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस से रिएक्ट करा तो ज्यादा हीट प्रोड्यूस होती है. दैट इज बिकॉज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन बोलते हैं इसको. एसिड प्लस बेस, एसिड न्यूट्रलाइजेस बेस, बेस न्यूट्रलाइजेस एसिड. रिएक्शन एक एक्टिविटी है इसके बेसिस पे. सो हीट कौन सी है? वो न्यूट्रलाइजेशन हीट बोलते हैं उसको. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. बी एंड डी 2 आंसर है उसमें. लास्ट वन. Which of the above solution has a pH equal to distilled water? G. Which of the above solution? G. Though you write 7, which is wrong. 7 is equal to distilled water, but which solution is what we is asked? G. G solution is asked. Correct. What is the name given to the solution of pH value? What is this name? G. Neutral solution. Neutral solution. बस. Clear? This was pretty easy. 1 2 आसान था, उतना ज्यादा आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोचने की नौबत नहीं आई. ठीक है, पीएच के ऊपर बसे क्वेश्चंस।